Everybody talks about AI agents, but I am going to show you a platform that actually works. It enables literally anyone to create and manage agents that do real work far beyond answering questions, with a super simple interface. Now available as a Snowflake native app, Superduper Agents runs securely in your account. Find it on the Snowflake app marketplace by searching for Superduper Agents and install the free trial by pressing the blue button top right. Here you can see the end-user interface of an agent I created in the admin dashboard, which we will skip here for the sake of time. On the left, you'll see the data which I granted this particular agent access to, selected Snowflake tables and specific document folders. Now we have two main functionalities, agent tasks and agent chat. Agent chat is a familiar conversational interface with powerful advantages. It allows you to query both your structured tables and your unstructured documents in one place. Here you can see a conversation I had with the agent around different topics. Let's look at the last question, a common question someone might have about a legal contract. The agent not only provides accurate answers, but also exact references to the data and documents used. In this case, the agent presents the relevant sections of the particular agreement and links to the original PDF file, allowing me to verify and reference the source data. Let's open a new chat. Here I ask our agent to perform an analysis of data across multiple tables. On the right, you can see the agent's retrieval and reasoning process, leveraging the latest techniques and tools. It optimizes the query, gathers relevant data from multiple tables, analyzes it, reasons through the information, and iterates on its answer for maximum accuracy. With its answer, it then delivers not only the exact database queries, so you can instantly verify and reference the source data, it also produces its insights as structured data, ready to be acted on not just by you, but also by your agent downstream. In this case, it lists the exact number of products that need to be reordered, and you could easily create an agent task that triggers the reordering automatically. Let's see how that works under agent tasks. Under agent tasks, you can delegate tasks to your agent. Agent tasks can run on a schedule or be triggered by new or changing data, whether it's a new document, a new support request, a new log message, or any other entry in your tables. Let's look at an actual example where the agent autonomously acts on a certain event. Whenever a customer makes an order, I want my agent to create a summary of the order and to find out if we have all products in stock or if I have to reorder anything. You can integrate tasks with your different systems and tools via webhook. In this case, I want the agent to send a message to my colleagues in procurement via Microsoft Teams. What makes this platform so powerful is that I can validate whether my instructions yield the desired results right on the spot by applying the task to existing data and past events. The system will virtually go back in time and run the task. I immediately get the agent's work results for the task on historical data, allowing me to assess whether they meet my expectations or if I need to refine the instructions and add more details. This allows me to iterate at maximum efficiency. In this case, the agent produces well-structured overviews of each order, including stock information, so I can go forward and save the task. Let me show you a couple of example tasks I created for different use cases. The first one is a typical HR task, applicant evaluation. I have my agent review each new applicant's CV and calculate a score indicating how well they fit a specific role. In the second task, I have my agent review every new order to identify products the customer might be interested in, based on what similar customers have ordered, not just helpful for the revenue team. With the third task, whenever a new contract is saved to a specific folder, my agent generates a summary for the head of legal, extracts key information and dates, and stores them in a Snowflake table. The best part is that you can connect multiple tasks. The bottom task, for example, is triggered by the contract review task above. If the contract value exceeds a certain threshold, it will automatically generate a briefing for the CEO. By connecting multiple tasks, you can build even the most complex workflows, broken down into accountable steps, enabling you to implement safe guardrails for your agents. Under the Actions tab, you can see all agent activities and keep track of the amazing work your agents are doing on your behalf. Every task, action, and insight is written back to Snowflake. That means your agent's work is accessible not only to your team, but also to downstream agents and workflows, enabling true multi-agent collaboration. All platform functionality is also available via a REST API, allowing seamless integration into your products and services. Before you go, let me show you one last example. Here I asked the agent to perform an abnormality analysis and fraud detection, a quite challenging task. As you will see, the agent found and understood the data and delivered insights right on the spot, so I dived deeper and asked for more specifics within the same conversation. By enabling users to interrogate the entire data stack and perform complex analytics on the fly, Agent Chat can significantly boost productivity across all teams and departments. For example, customer success might ask to check a customer's SLA from a contract and compare it with ticket response times stored in a table. HR could inquire whether a sales rep hit the targets outlined in their bonus agreement using up-to-date sales stats. Data engineering might want to verify if the current log level aligns with internal guidelines. The use cases are just endless. All right, that's a wrap. If you would like to see what Superduper Agents can do for you and your team, reach out via email at info@superduper.io and find Superduper Agents on the Snowflake app marketplace and start your free trial today.